अपेक्स काउंसिल की नोटिस पर एचसीए के सदर मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन का रद्द-ए-अमल। हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के सदर मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने अपेक्स काउंसिल की जानिब से उन्हें नोटिस जारी करने के इक़दाम पर अपना रद्द-ए-अमल का इजहार किया है। इन्होंने कहा कि अपेक्स काउंसिल के इन्हें दस्ताना तौर पर नोटिस जारी की है, जबकि इन्होंने कभी भी वो हैदराबाद क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन के शोबे को मुतासिर करने वाला काम नहीं किए हैं। अपेक्स काउंसिल के 5 अरकान के ग्रुप बनाए गए हैं।
Sir, I want to tell you something. I mean, I'm elected, but nobody can remove me. They cannot do 4 or 5 people cannot remove me as a president. I'm elected by the general body. First of all, they are tainted. They are facing charges. They are going to get their notices. I mean, I have already been show cause notice that the ombudsman will take into account whatever they have done. So they will get all the notices. I don't want to do anything wrong because they want to do things in their way. They want everything to happen in a way they want. So this thing doesn't happen because all this, I mean, removing and all is all bogus news. These are bogus things because these are all illegal things. When they are already tainted, when they are already charged, I mean, they are already been under scanner. I mean, what these people are trying to suspend me? Please tell me. They are facing cases. They are attending courts every day. I am not attending courts. I have not done any misconduct. They are doing misconduct. See, the empty vessels make more noise. Remember always. So the vessels have become empty now. That's why it's making noise. Why do I think it's target? Because I want to do things which are right for the association. I don't want to do any illegal things. I don't want to, I mean, any irregularities in the association. I want to do what is good for the association, what is good for the game of cricket. Because nobody is thinking about the game of cricket here. Now I am going to start a T20 tournament for all the clubs. All the 216, 220 clubs I am going to start. Well, everybody will get an opportunity to play T20 games, and then maybe out of those 3,000 boys who will play the T20 matches very shortly after the lockdown, there will be some people, some boys will be like 10 or 12 boys will come up and come up in cricket and then might go and play for the country, they might go and play for the association. So you never know, because once you have, because the moment they only restrict the people, nahi aap ye nahi khel sakte, aap wo nahi khel sakte. Nahi, when you are a club, even a T20 game, you have to play. And there is nothing wrong. So I am going to start this T20. I mean, as soon as the lockdown is over, we are going to have T20 and then we will have the T20. Everybody will play. Everybody will get a chance to play. Now nobody can have a complaint that I have not played this, I have not played this. This is the first time it is happening. This is giving a platform for players, I mean, who are good, they can get to IPL, they can get to anywhere, if they perform well, they will get. So this is what I am going to start the season from. Because those people are not interested in cricket, they are only interested in clubs. Clubs में कितने clubs रखना, A division में 25 club रखना, 24 club रखना, it doesn't work like that. So everybody, I mean, you should play. I mean, if you have done well, you should play A division. It's good. If you are good enough, you can play A division.